How to change your ringtone on iPhone to a song. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change your ringtone on your iPhone to a song. Go to Settings and then Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Haptic Patterns, tap the sound that you want to change. Tap Ringtone or Text Tone. Then choose a new sound. You can use the tone store to buy new sounds. These purchases are associated with your Apple ID and payment method on file. Go to Settings and reach Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtones. Then scroll to the top and tap Tone Store. Your purchased tones and ringtones appear at the top of the list of sounds. If you get a new device or your previous purchases aren't showing up, tap Download All Purchased Tones. You might not see this option if you already downloaded all the tones you purchased or you haven't purchased any. You might not be able to re-download some previously purchased tones. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.